It's exactly 1:04 by UTC in London. Here's Unix time. It's my last look at Möbius topology. Uh, if you take a 3-flip Möbius strip and cut it down the middle and let it make intersections, you can get knots. That's what I've discovered. Was the Möbius strip that was cut down the middle. It's got 8 twists and 2 edges, 2 surfaces. The number of twists afterwards, like there's 3 twists there, it's 2n plus 2. So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. So there's 8 twists here. I've crinkled it a bit, but when you let it cross itself, like if I hold it right here, and I'll show you a crossing. Look, here if we add a little half snip here and a half snip here, you'll see that the frame knot will cross itself. And then once it crosses itself, either over or under, I can draw the knot diagram. So one of the knots that it makes is this knot. It's what I call one of the braid group. And Jones, who invented the Jones polynomial, he has found a braid group. So I thought that was interesting. Look, here's Wolfram's page on Jones polynomial, and he goes on about the braid word. Braid, pots, braid. Where's braid? Oh, that's the wiki page. I was on Wolfram Science earlier. So look, I've made a knot. I've done the same crossings. You can see the 4 vertical are over. The two right there are under crossings, and it's so because the polynomial. Look, it says Jones polynomial equals 1. So that means this should make an unknot. An unknot is just this right here. So for example, if it was like this right here. If I draw right here, so if you do a Whitney trick and you imagine that this here is transparent and you can just pull this across here without making a sharp bend is making a pinch point. It's part of Stephen Schmall's idea on turning a spear inside out. So I've done the correct Whitney trick, so that's an unknot. So this should make an unknot. Let's see, let's take it apart. Let's lift it off the blue tack. There shouldn't be a knot. Well, hey, of course not. Look, the unknot. Oh, I dropped my phone again. You can see we have the unknot. Look. Oh, I'm such a muppet. And like I just lay it down. Look, there's the string theory. So I was watching Ed Witten on string theory and topology and knots. But the thing is that this knot here has the same etiology as this knot here, but this knot has coefficients, so I'm going to make this knot, and maybe that there'll be a knot in it. But no, not likely. You can see that it's not going to make a knot. It's going to be an unknot. So I don't understand why I have coefficients, and this one is equal to 1, really.